Hey guys, so I just want to talk about kind of like the number one mistake people make. Number one thing that shows that you're like not putting in effort, that you're kind of not doing it right as far as being an affiliate marketer. Because what happens is people, once they start in, they realize, like I found this out when I set myself up. The first place that I went to was ClickBank, which I think was probably like where 99% of people get their first kind of exposure to affiliate products, right? And then, so I went over there, I signed up with ClickBank, and then they take you, each product that you get, you just go, and they show you how to customize your link. And that's your big thing is once you get your hand on your affiliate link, somebody clicks that, checks out the product, boom, you get paid, right? You make affiliate commissions. So once people, I think the mistake that people make is that they get their hands on their affiliate link and they do what's called, I learned this one, Steven Larson talked about this in his podcast, and it was called link barfing, right? People just get their affiliate link and they just start link barfing it all over the internet, and there's no value to it. You're not putting any value into this product. You're just basically, it's like standing out on a street corner and just like shouting at people, telling them to buy versus, drawing them in and starting a conversation. So that's what you want to avoid if you're an affiliate marketer. You're trying to get into affiliate marketing. Once you get your affiliate link, realize that you need to take whatever affiliate offer you're going to promote and turn that product into an offer. That is how you will, have success, get some real results with your affiliate marketing. Even as good as ClickFunnels is, because I see people do this sometimes inside of other groups on Facebook, entrepreneurial groups or whatever, and they'll just post like their link to ClickFunnels or an affiliate link without any kind of like anything in between, no kind of like bridge between what they're offering, and it's not a good look. It's not how you want to be doing business, and it's not how you want to present yourself as as an entrepreneur. So don't make that mistake. Don't do it. If you're going to do affiliate marketing, learn how to take the product that you're going to promote and create an offer out of it. That's like the most valuable advice that I can give you. Thanks for watching this. See you in the next one.